Hey guys, welcome back to Game More with Dylan, and today we're back with Deadbolt. We're gonna... We are gonna hopefully retry. As much as it pains me to say this, we are hopefully gonna retry the sniper rifle, which gives me such a fucking rage boner that it kills me. Oh my god. Why am I doing this to myself? Don't be scared, step into the light. I'd much rather not step into the light. Good, nice sight. Now I fucking use my little kind brain for something other than a fucking paperweight. Shoot out the goddamn lights. Oh my fucking god. Guys, I am this stupid. Oh god, there's a light there. There's several lights there. Why am I dead? Why am I dead? Why? There's that tiny light right there. Balls deep. Balls deep. Oh, rage. Wow. Much impressive. Wow, so good. Much love. Much skill. Much of. I fucking hate this level so much. Oh god damn it, guys. What do you make me do? What do you make me do, you bastards? God fucking damn. Nice. Bitch ass little hoe. Don't turn the light back on, you ass. Can I use a knife to break? Nope. Oh god. The next step is gonna be a knock. Stay right there, Aliana. You can't keep getting in the camera. Fuck it! Fuck this. Fucking restart the level. I'm getting tired of this, guys. I fucking hate this level. Fuck this sniper bitch. That's all I got to say. She's gonna eat my fucking dick. Right. How am I? Somebody shoot me in the fucking. Why, guys? Why? Why must I suffer? What did I do wrong? Fuck it. Just overall, fuck it, right? You didn't do anything to deserve this. Fucking Christ. What the hell is that? Just a window.
How?
Oh, she can see me. Wonderful. Wonderful. You can leave me the hell alone, bitch. How do we even get up there? Where am I supposed to be? What am I supposed to do? Hi! 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 Fuck! Fuck, fuck, fuck. I didn't sign up for this shit. There's two lights. Are you fucking kidding me, game? Why? Just why? Why do you like my suffering? What did I ever do to you, game? What? Oh, god damn it. Fucking hate this level, man. I fucking hate it. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Shoot. Ah! Of course that didn't work. 'Cause why would it? I hate this level. I am rage quit. Woo! Don't fucking touch my phone now. Just go away. Just go the hell away, game. Just go the hell away. Eliana, no. Eliana, no. You need to listen to Addie. Close the door. Close it. We got plumbers in the house. In the house. So I have to have our little one in here with me right now. She's just making it this wonderful experience today. To add to this level of stressfulness. Get shot in the fucking face. You as well. You too, buddy. When I say pure fucking luck, I mean pure fucking luck, guys, because this is what this is. Fuck you two, game. Fuck you two. I feel like I'm doing good, but I'm not, guys. I'm gonna get shot and I'm gonna have to do it all fucking over, and I know it. This is really scaring me. Yeah, baby girl, it's scaring. Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Game, don't do this to me. Game. Game! You need to stop, Allie. Game. Game. Game! How do I do this? What am I supposed to do? I don't understand. What the fuck? Are you telling me after all this I can't do anything? What am I supposed to do? Hello? I didn't do all this for nothing, so what the fuck? Come on! Are you serious? What the fuck? I didn't do all this. Why? What am I missing? Hello? What the fuck am I doing? Do I have to kill them all first? That doesn't make any fucking sense. I have to go through all of it? Fuck me. Fuck me 8 ways from Sunday. And then some. I don't have any more ammo, guys. What am I gonna do? You motherfucker, don't call the elevator. I just have to punch you to death. Fuck! No! No! Why, game? Why? Why do you do it? Done for now, guys. This has been Dylan of Game Ward, and I'll see you in the next episode. It's fucking killing me, guys.